Hi everyone, or as we greeting in Taiwanese, Jababui. My name is Eddy Tseng. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make miso soup. When we making the miso soup, we use the miso paste, which is the fermented soybean. So it is very good for your digestion. So let's get started. The first we need is the Dashi Stock. The Dashi Stock, if you want to know how to make a Dashi Stock, you can check our channel in the Dashi Stock video. Okay, here I got the Dashi Stock. I just pour into the pot. Okay, today I'm going to make amount enough to serve it for 2 people. Now we bring the heat on. Okay, all we need just let the stock to boiling. Okay, now we're going to prepare our other ingredient. The key ingredient today is the miso paste. There is the many kind of the miso paste, from dark color to the light color. The light color was more salty. The dark color is more strong flavor. My personally will like is just the medium dark, because for me it's quite balanced with the flavor and the saltiness. So this is what I got in here. And the other ingredient is the wakame seaweed. The wakame seaweed, where you can get it from any Asian store. It basically is just like a baby seaweed. Okay, they call it wakame. This is the dry one. After you just put soaking in the water for rehydrate, will become like this. As you can see the difference. After you soaking in the water, don't forget to just take the seaweed and squeeze the water out. And you don't want too much water, because you're gonna be reduce the flavor of the miso soup. Now another thing is our obviously tofu is must be. All right, now the tofu we're going to cut is just about a centimeter square block. All right, what I'm cut like this way. Okay. All right. Now as you can see, it's just about the center meter square block. Or it doesn't matter if you like a bigger block. It's no problem at all. Okay, and today I just cut it like this block. Okay, simple. Okay, but you don't want to overpower on the tofu, because you're gonna, let me show you, you're gonna squeeze down. Everybody know tofu is very tender. Look there. You don't want to break down. This wasn't look nice. Yeah, all right. And the texture is also will be different. Okay, we try to working tofu must be gently, like your girlfriend. All right. All right. All right. And this time, now we're going to prepare our spring onion. Okay, when we got the spring onion, okay, sometimes we get the spring onion, this outside skin is quite old and very fibrous, so the outside you can peel out by hand. It's simple. Okay, now we're going to chop our green onion. Some people would like to use only green part, but I quite like the white part, because I use all for the flavor. All we need to do just finely chop, that's all. Alright, now I can see our stock started boiling. Okay, now. Alright, that is fine. Okay, as you can see, in the same time, our stock started boiling. In this stage, if you are not quite 100%, what I recommend is you can just turn down your heat to the medium. It's much easier for you to work, because sometimes working on the hot stock, it will quite dangerous to burning yourself. So prepare yourself ready for a strainer. Okay, what we only going to do is just like that. Okay, put the strainer into the stock like this, as you can see. All right, it's better like this. And prepare yourself a spoon. Then now we start to go into our miso paste. Very simple. Let me show you. Just take our miso paste. This time I'm gonna use 2 big teaspoons. Okay, what the next stage? Look, we just working on the strainer like that. Working with your tablespoon. Just gently squeeze into our soup. Okay, as you can see, started dissolved. All right. Just keep it stirring until all the miso paste is completely disappear like this. Okay, let me show you. In this stage, you will see in your strainer will leave some white, this white stuff. This is the what we like to say grain. If you don't like a grain texture, then you can just leave it. Don't need to put into the soup. But for me, no problem at all. You can just all in. Okay. Now we bring our miso soup back to boil. But the tip is very important. Do not overboil after you put the miso paste in, because then you killing the miso paste. All right, I would like to say this strong word because I want you to remember all these important tip. Because if you overboiling the miso paste, then it start bringing very funny flavor into the miso. So in this time, you can bring to the medium heat. It's much easier for you to work. Medium heat, bring back to the boil. All right. After it boil, then that's because you don't want a cold tofu for the taste. So this stage, just put our tofu all in. All right. How simple is that? Then wakame, you don't need to cook a wakame, because wakame actually you can eat it like a salad, eat it raw. Okay, as you can see, it started simmer. Okay, can you see clearly? Okay, let me show you. Okay, the tofu in. All right, and also after tofu in, also don't want to overcook. We just want to heat up the tofu. We don't want to cook the tofu. By the way, the tofu is not tender, but getting tough. Okay, like a jelly, getting tough. All right. Now the boiling. Look, wakame in. Simple is there. Okay. Then last ingredient is our spinach yang. After in, then in this time to switch off our heat. Okay, there we got. Okay, done. Okay, now it's ready to serve. Okay, what we got in here is you can have nice beautiful bowl here. All we need to do, just serve the bowl. As you can see, beautiful miso soup. Okay, get some tofu. All right, done. Okay, as you can see, that is the beautiful miso soup. For more detailed recipe instruction, please check out our website by following link below. If you enjoy the show, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Well, see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.